So hi guys, welcome to my video, and I'm going to show my Pokemon cards that my brother gave me, and I have another one I got. So yeah, we're going to start with my brother's. Got it? So I'm not sure what all of their names are. So yeah, I'm just going to show you them. So first we got this glowing one. And then this is a bug catcher. I could read only a little, so yeah. And then we got this one. It's a person. Another one of those. And we got, it looks like a cup, so. And then these are one of the Pokemon. And another one of these Pokemon cards. And then we got this little birdie on kind of look like a swing. And then this one looks like a wolf to me. And this one, I'm not sure about this one, but it's pink. This one, he looks like a budgie. I'm not sure. A little bird. Mouth. And then this is a trainer person. Great ball. And this one looks like another bird. Okay. So now we're gonna open it. Wait, Mommy, did you stop it? So guys, this is the front, and there's like a little Pikachu on it. And in the back, there's some more of the packages. Then let's open it. We got it. So here, we got a little kind of wolf, I think. And in the back, it's more colorful than orange. So yeah. And let's see. Ooh, this is kind of new. Okay. So first we have this one. And it's orange on the outside. We have this purple one. So then we have this yellow one. Then we have this green one. Another orange one, which is a kind of horse. Ooh, I got a special one, and it's kind of white. Or like some flags. And there's a pink one. Colorful pink. Oh, and then we got this red one. Energy red. Fire. And then we got a trainer. And there's a little animal. And then we have a little monster, and it has spikes on it. Then we have this person, and it's a trainer. So that's all we have, I think. Let me check. Yeah, that's it. So thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoy your day and have a great day with your Pokemon cards. Bye.